People drive your business. They drive your growth and your results. But what drives them? At the Predictive Index, we offer a blend of management solutions that explore the behaviors that drive your people, your candidates, employees, and leaders. Our management workshops teach you how to turn your people insights into action. Rooted in proven science, our workshops prepare you to solve your current and future business problems. Whether you are experiencing issues with hiring, developing talent, identifying leaders, or engaging your workforce, PI has a workshop solution for you. Our workshop facilitators have the skill set and experience to create an engaging and interactive learning environment that will help you achieve your business goals. Each year, over 12,000 people complete PI workshops across the globe. To attend, you can come to us or we can come to you. When you know what drives your people, your potential is limitless. The Predictive Index Management Workshops turn your people insights into action.